Hi, welcome to this new Top 10 video. This is an amazing list of
central vacuum systems.
After watching, if you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more Top 10 videos. Also, turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Okay guys, so here is the vacuum stand put together. My husband said that it really didn't take very much time at all and it was fairly easy to do. This is a really heavy duty stand, so you don't have to worry about the vacuum falling over, but it's still lightweight and easy to move. This is just the side showing all of my accessories, which fit very nicely on the stand, and I really like the way that it looks aesthetically. I think it's very just pleasing to look at and everything's all right there, easy to grab. I really like this product, and again, if you live in an apartment or something like that, this is something that's going to work well for you. So this is also just showing you how the stand attaches to the docking station.
Aluminum wheels sparkle when they're brand new, but after a while they can lose their luster. Every time you drive, your wheels are bombarded with dust and fibers from the brake pads, minuscule metal shavings from the rotor, and general road grime. You can avoid these issues by cleaning your wheels regularly with Oil Eater All-Purpose Cleaner. This powerful non-toxic cleaner has been specially formulated to be tough on grime but easy on finishes. It's clear coat safe so it won't harm your wheels, and it can even be used on your car's interior. Here's what you'll need to get the job done: a garden hose, a spray nozzle that delivers a strong stream of water, a long-handled brush with sturdy bristles, a lug nut brush, microfiber towels, and Oil Eater cleaner degreaser. Here's what to do. First, you'll want to rinse the wheels with water to remove any loose dirt using the spray nozzle and hose. Then, spray one wheel at a time with Oil Eater All-Purpose Cleaner. Using a soft wheel brush to avoid scratching the aluminum, remove the rest of the dirt and grime. If you have one, use a lug nut brush to clean around the lug nuts and in the holes. For a really thorough job, clean the wheel wells too. Use a long-handled brush with sturdy bristles to loosen the dirt. When you're done scrubbing, rinse everywhere with the hose to remove the loosened dirt and cleaner. A garden hose, a spray nozzle that delivers a strong stream of water, a long-handled brush with sturdy bristles, a lug nut brush, microfiber towels, and Oil Eater cleaner degreaser. Here's what to do. Then, spray one wheel at a time with Oil Eater All-Purpose Cleaner. If you have one, use a lug nut brush to clean around the lug nuts and in the holes. When you're done scrubbing, rinse everywhere with the hose. Lastly, dry the wheel thoroughly with a microfiber towel. Oil Eater, hungry to clean.